Yeah. See banana them there, ripe, you know. Yeah, man. Breakfast settings, you see. Check in, people. I got some natural juice here. See banana them. Check the last video, see them. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Mash up some dumpling. Yeah, man. Check in. Upon that real caramel dumpling. Mm-hmm. See banana them. Ready. Ready for mash up. Man, I got a plant here, so you know. Remember I plant now, sit on the table and people. Ripe up upon that. I got some dumplings, so plant them ripe and people. Banana them there. Like up a video. Got some beetroot juice, so ginger and mango. Bunny. Chinese plate. Yeah, Chinese. the Chinese here, watch it. Real Jamaican food, you know? Yeah. Got some bean and saltfish. Right here, so. Yeah, man, we're on a famous snowy tree, you know? Yeah. Famous snowy tree. You know, there I mash up some food now. You know, never see food and good. Like up a video, you know. Mash up some caramel dumpling, you know? Yeah, man. See there. Natural way. Yummy. Yeah, man. And a famous snowy tree, you know. Check in what you know of them people. Only start right. Go on. Yeah. No need a job. The months no need a grow. And a famous money tree. Yeah, man, no need start ripe, no need a job. Like crazy. Yeah. So yummy delicious guys. Yeah, man, see ripe banana them. Ripe banana soon ready. Yeah, man, I eat some saltfish and bean. It's good, it's good, it's good. Otako. Otako Seni. It's good. Subscribe to the channel, okay, bro? Yeah, remember, subscribe to the channel. So yummy, delicious. Smash the notification bell, okay, guys? And check out the video on the channel. Yeah, do this. Yeah, cheeky. Yeah, yeah, bro, big up every time. Heart of love, bro. No joke. Yeah, yeah, welcome, people. Check in, check in. Be a rain, my general. Be a rain. Crazy rain. Yeah, man, all you know is 3-star ripe. Wicked. Yeah, man, crazy. No one there. Crazy. Yeah, cause the rain, no one star ripe. Crazy. No joke, bro. Remember now we soon link up, you know. Yeah, man, we soon link up. Crazy video I'm setting. No joke. Tell a friend for tell a friend, guys. Yeah, man. Food so yummy, delicious. Yeah, the phone is not too stable, you know, guys. The phone not too so stable. Okay, so see with the phone, guys. The phone not so stable. Yeah, man, crazy food and pot left, man. Crazy food and pot left. Yeah, big up, big up. Peace. Yeah, man, I got to. I deal with the Chinese way. Chinese. Yeah, man, some beetroot juice, man. Yeah. So big up Vibes 39 TV. Yeah. Yeah, man, big up yourself, bro. Like how you do your thing. Yeah, man. Check out Vibes 39 TV, guys. No joke. got some banana here, my people. Crazy amount of banana here. Yeah, man. Yeah. Crazy amount of right banana, you know? Yeah, man. That's how they eat, you know, guys. Yeah, when I don't see where I make no video, at this way I do, guys. Yeah. So I want to tap in on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. And share up the video, okay, guys? Tell a friend for tell a friend. Mm. Yeah. Peace to all of my subscribers. Mm. Yeah, man, check out the zinc fence. Zinc fence settings. Yeah. Like up a video, okay, guys? Food almost done now. Mm. One more pizza. So yummy delicious. Yeah. That is it, guys. Yeah, man, a breakfast settings, you know. So we have crazy video coming up in the summer, and so stop in and stay tuned for that. Yeah. And people leave a comment where you're watching from, okay, guys? Mm. So, peace. I'm out. Probably I'll do a video later. Not sure. Okay. So, peace. Oh, guys. No, not yet. I should have eat a ripe banana first. Yeah, I eat a ripe banana first, guys. Yeah. So we grow them in a large, you know, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Check it out. See? Look at that. Yeah, guys. Look at that. See that? See? See that, guys? See? Yeah, this is how we grow them. Look. Can you see? Yeah, large. Mm. Mm. Yeah, guys. So yummy, delicious. Pe- Peace. I'm out, guys. Remember, subscribe to the channel.